Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. Thank you guys so much for coming to this video. It's Saturday guys. It's been a while since I haven't been home on a Saturday because we're at work. I sometimes work on a Saturday, but anyways, today's we're going on the road as a family, just spending some time together, taking you guys with us. Hopefully you guys like this video. Don't forget to smash that like button, drop a comment guys, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. All right guys.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I never figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Guys, so we're at the mall right now. We're about to just go on a little stroll. Malika is really excited. Say hi, Malika. Malika, say hi. Are you hungry? Take those fingers out your mouth. Good job. Say hi, Natasha. Say hi. Say hi, Malia. Malia just waking up. Say hi. Say hi. Alright guys, let's go to check out the mall. We got $26 for them, look back there. Not bad. 3 bag.
Oh yeah, 3 bags. Here, take care.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Look who we run into, our favorite Filipina. What, go on. No, go on. Well, this is a professional look. He's like, tired of school?
What?
Bruh. What time do you get off, Ashley?
I'm leaving at 6.
At 6?
Can I just get one?
I saw you guys went to Saskatoon Lake.
Yeah, yesterday.
Oh, was it?
It was really good. Beautiful, but doesn't have a paint. It's really cold.
Cold.
Really cold.
Guys, so we are on the road and we ended up getting brand new phones. By the way, Jake is an excellent salesman. He's literally causing us to take new phones even though we didn't need it.
I needed one, so that's sweet.
Yeah, so I just want to say enough respect, Jake, and thank you so much, man. Like,
Thank you for
oh,
coming here. And Joshly.
Thank you.
yeah, we'll give Josh some credit. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so Nas got herself a new phone, I got myself a new phone. We did not come on the road with the intention to do this, but opportunity presented itself.
Yeah, and it is cheaper than what I. Cheap.
Yeah.
Cheap. Not cheap.
So pretty much we've been at the mall for the past couple of hours. We're about to just go back to the parking lot. Oh, crash! Look at those kids and those pony almost ran us over. Anyways, yeah, we're just gonna go back to the car. Push the stroller there, please. You want me to hold the bag? You can hold the bag. That's okay. Don't make it fall. Yeah, guys, so we're just gonna go back to the car now and just probably go and get something to eat and stuff. But how was your day today, babes? Chill?
Because it's nice being out and about on a Saturday, like we normally do. So
Malika, what's up? Yeah, Nats is hungry, guys. Nats is hungry. Nats is hungry. Yeah, guys, make sure to like the video, by the way, subscribe to the channel, and definitely drop a comment, guys. You want one of them juice here, baby? Man, like, if I saw not get the phone case or phone protector. Green juice?
Mighty cute. That me normally get. Yeah.
Which one?
Mighty kale.
Mighty Tails? Oh no, that's bad.
I'm good, how are you?
Good, thank you. How's your summer?
It was great.
It's good. Are you still working at the gym?
Are you working at the gym? See ya.